Farscape engineer, inspector summary video. We're here in Jordan Court University in New Jersey, and what we have is a Farscape. Has many issues, mainly treads. Farscape has diamond plate treads and diamond plate platforms. From underneath you're going to see quite a bit. Through bolts look pretty good, but they need to be sealed because snow and ice are accumulating in that corner and destroying that a little bit. Again, in repairing, I want all critical connections rebolted and reinforced if they're welded. Non-critical connections, I just want them verified that they're in good condition and they can stay. For example, all support posts, if they're welded or bolted, I want them rebolted or reinforced if they're welded. That's a corner post. The rails, nothing. Just verify that they're in good condition. The treads, usually in a 50 to 75-year-old Farscape like this one, all the treads have been rebolted. This one has not. So 100% of all these treads need to be rebolted. Severe damage from underneath once I show you from another angle. These are all rivets. As you can see, the rivets are starting to accumulate rust. Wherever there's rust, you got to clean out the rust, and then you got to rebolt it, take out the rivet. But if the rivet's in good condition, but it's 50 to 75 years old, you need to reinforce with a backup bolt near that rivet. So the rivet can stay, but I want a backup bolt in order for us to sign off on this. If you find any weld that is unverifiable, then the weld needs to be reinforced with a bolt. Again, this is older than 1978, so EPA rules do apply. Anybody repairing this Farscape needs to have contractor's license, workers' comp and liability, as well as have a renovator's license to touch anything that is presumed to have lead. This Farscape has a lot of issues with these treads. As we start going down, I want the feet. There's a lot of water and dirt accumulating here. I want these feet tarred up. Once they've been repaired and cleaned, you need to tar the feet 4 to 6 inches above grade so that the snow accumulation won't deteriorate as they sit in the ground and dirt over there. See all these square head bolts? All these got to come out, and I need new ones because there's severe damage from the water accumulating from above coming down, and all these treads, all of them, need to be pulled out of here. A lot of water coming in from above, and this needs to be investigated. This is not part of the Farscape issue, but we need to make sure that that connection is solid there, and then you need to have them come in and deal with the masonry, which is outside the scope of the repair of the Farscape. But make sure that that is sitting properly. Again, if you look at all the rivets, they need to be reinforced and or replaced, whichever's faster, cheaper. The plate is sitting in a sandwich against the angle, and as you can see, these Farscapes get utilized every day. So if that's the case, then we need to make sure that the treads are all in good condition, and then needs to stop the water. All these tears are coming from water accumulating in joints and then feeding the water. These rusty tears is an indicator that something's going wrong in the joints. Once everything is repaired, all joints must be sealed with 50-year silicone prior to painting this Farscape. Any questions, Farscape engineers? This is Inspector Meneses. 800-649-3333, 800-649-3333. Any and all bids to Mark at Jordan Court University.